Okay, Lauren, so 63 was your first attempt at a paper one. You smashed that with 80 next time round. So let's see what you can do this time. Missed one out there. So only one mark there. 6 there is correct. That's right. It's not £1.51, it's £1.61. If it was, then that would be right, so you lose a mark there, even certain likely. 6, 8, 16, 17 for the page. It's the wrong way round, so that's right with you. But it should then go 25%, 28%, 30%. So those two are the wrong way round. Good. 7 for the page. That's lovely. That's right, because we don't know how much M is. Excellent. This is area. This is perimeter. Perimeter. So they're the wrong way round, but your units are right. So you get your unit mark, but nothing else, because you got those the wrong way round. 2184 is correct. 12 is correct. Yeah, that's right. But it's easier without a calculator, just to find 1% by dividing by 100. So 1% is 5. And then times that by 3 to get 15. So there would have been 1 mark for 5, both marks for 15. Number is 9. A is correct. B is wrong. -3 up 2 is there. C is wrong. -2, 1 is there. So you get 1 mark there. 3, 4, 6, 7. For this one, you're just looking to find a rule that turns the x coordinate into the y coordinate. And it has to be the same for all of them. So it could be times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. But times those by 3 and you don't get 4 and 5. If you add 2, you get 3. If you add 2, you get 4. You add 2, you get that. So it's an add 2 rule they're looking for you to write down there. It's not squared. You're not multiplying them. It's just 7a, take away 1a, which is 6a. That's right, that's right, that's right. Good. 10 for that page. 800, yeah, which is all of that. Half it and half again. 400, 200. Take a look at my solution for that bottom bit there, which follows from what you've done. 180 take away 48 is 132. 132 divided by 2 is 66. All you've then got to do is take 66 from 180. So you do 180 take away 66 equals 114. And then for this one, you add those together, it comes to 195. You do 360 take away, that is 165. That there should be 165, which you then take away from 180 because it's on a straight line. 15 is what you're looking for there. So 4, 6 for the page. Right, you're almost perfect. That needs to be there. It's across 2 and down 1 on the original, so it should be across 4 and down 2 on the enlargement. Unlucky. Reflected, correct. Incorrect. So all you want to say it's reflected, and where would the mirror be put for that to reflect? The mirror would go down that line there, which is known as x equals 1, because the x coordinate anywhere on that line is 1. So you only get the 1 mark for that. We'll practice these in class. Yes, 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 yes. N plus 2 is perfect. You could also write is 2n plus 2, but nothing wrong with the way that you've written it. 6 for the page. It's not M20, it's M9. That's correct. That should still be a minus sign. It's still on that side of the equals. That one becomes a positive because you've got to add 28. So 4x should equal 18, and x should then equal, for you, 38 over 4. So 1 mark for that, and then you've got 2 mistakes after that. This is a Pythagoras rule question, which we haven't done for a while. That's not how you do it. 1 for that page then. So looking to beat 80. I don't think you've beaten 80, but you might have beaten 63. 17, 24, 21, 31, 38, 48, 54, 56, 62, 63. So you did beat your original, but it wasn't as good as last time. I'm going to call it a D, but you're only 2 marks off a grade C, and if you go through that paper you will easily find those 2 marks with some of the careless little mistakes you've made. So it's not as good as before, but that was a much harder paper.